PowerPoint lets you link an Excel chart, which enables you to update data automatically. In your Excel workbook, select your chart. Select Copy. Open your PowerPoint document. Select the slide where you want your chart. Select Paste Options. Then select Keep Source Formatting and Embed Workbook. Move and resize it. And if your data changes, the chart will also change. Just select Chart Design, Edit Data in Excel.